Hey guys, welcome to DelftStack, and this is how to fix Chrome tab not showing. So guys, if you ever encounter this issue, what you could try to do is making sure you are running the latest version of the Chrome. So to do that, select the three dots on the top right corner, and from here you will have an option over here, Help. Now here on the Help, you will have About a Google Chrome. So guys, so when there is any update, from here you should be able to see it, you should be able to download it, and from here, a simple update of the Chrome can fix the issue. Now, if it doesn't work, you can just simply exit the full screen mode. So guys, as you can see, when I press on F11 from here, as you can see, I don't have the tab. So to exit the full screen mode, press F11 again, and you should be able to see the tabs. Now, if it doesn't work, you could just simply go ahead and close the Chrome and restart it. And now, if it still doesn't work after reopening the Google Chrome, sadly, you have to reinstall it and install it back again. And mostly, this can fix the issue. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.